Are you aware that what all happy people have in common in the world? All the people who are happy in this world are the one who have goal and who every day take some action to get closer to the goal. Number two, are you aware that only 5% of the people in this world are successful? The 5% who are succeeding in this world have chief definite aim and also have plan to achieve that. So in simple terms, it means that all those who are successful, they know what they want and they have plan to achieve that. Whereas the 95% of the people who are failure, they don't even know what they want in life. That is the reason they get nothing. I, Col Sanjeet Sirohi, a motivational speaker and soft skill trainer, will tell you about goal setting and simple ways how to achieve them. Now, if you want to be happy and successful, set a goal that command your thoughts, liberate your energy, and inspire your hopes. So, how do we go about it? Firstly, you must clarify your true needs and desires. Convert them into specific measurable goals and objectives, and then act on them with certainty that you will achieve them. Expert on science of success know that a brain is a goal-seeking organism. Whatever goal you give to your subconscious mind, it will work day and night to achieve that. That you must keep in mind. Now the next question comes is that to make sure that your goal unleashes the power of your subconscious mind, it must meet two criteria. First is how much and second is by when. In simple terms, it means that it should have a measurable quantity and it should have a specific time and date. If you don't have these two criteria, then your goal is not a goal. It is just a mere wish, a desire and your need, and nothing will happen. Now, other thing which I want to bring out is that most of the people, they have very small goals. Now, I suggest that you must create a breakthrough goal that would represent a quantum leap for you and for your career. Most of the goals are represent incremental improvement in our life. Now, what is breakthrough goal? Breakthrough goal is something that changes your life, brings you new opportunities, gets you in front of the right people, and takes every activity, relationship, or group you are involved in to a higher level. Now, the next step, which is very, very important, is that you must write out your goal in detail. Because if you write in detail, then you will get clarity and specificity. Include every possible detail. When you write it down, your subconscious mind will know what to work on. It will know which opportunities to hone in on to help you reach your goal. Also, when you write down goal, you crystallize it and give it a tangible form. Unwritten goals leads to confusion, vagueness, misdirection, and numerous mistakes, which finally results into a failure. Clear written goals have wonderful effect on your thinking. They motivate you and galvanize you into action. They stimulate your creativity, liberates your energy, and help you in overcoming procrastination, which is the reason for failure. Now, the importance of written goal have been proved by research in Harvard University. Forbes carried out a research and they asked the students two questions. The first question was that how many of you have goal in your life? Only 16% of the students had goal in life, rest 84% had no goal in life. The second question which was asked was from those 16% that how many of you have a written goal? Only 3% of the students had a written goal. Now, after 10 years, the same research carried on and they contacted the same students, and it was found out that all those 16% students who had goal in life, they were earning twice than what the balance of the 84%. But what was more surprising and encouraging was that all those students who had all those students who were in bracket of 3% who had written goals were earning 10 times than rest of the 97%. So that is the power of a goal or a written goal. Now once you have written down your goal, then you must reread it minimum thrice a day. Now what will happen? It will activate the power of your desire. You will have more desire to achieve that goal. It will increase structural tension in the brain. Now what will happen if you increase the structural tension? Your brain will start working on what is the current reality and what is the vision of your goal, and it will start closing that. This will increase your motivation, it will stimulate your creativity and heighten your awareness of the resources which are available to you to achieve that goal. Now a word of caution, and this is the reason what I am going to tell you now, where the 95% of the people are failure. Everyone know what I have told so far, but what most of the people don't know is that once you set a goal, then your brain starts telling you to stop following the goal. What happens? There are three things which happen in your mind. And if you know these, and if you know that it is just in a process, and you can treat them and you can handle them so that they don't allow you to stop. First is the considerations. That is the thoughts which come in your mind. Different thoughts will come to your mind that why you cannot achieve your goal. Then the second thing will come with the feeling of fear. You will think, you will feel that if you pursue your goal, you may be a failure. And third is the circumstances which will tell you what are the roadblocks in achieving your goal. So these are the three things because of which most of the people after setting the goal, they stop following the goal. So you must take them as a process and you must handle them and then keep on moving toward your goal. Now in the end, I will tell you a formula, 7-step formula to achieve your set goal. Once you have set your goal, then if you follow this formula, I can guarantee you that you will be able to achieve it. Firstly, decide exactly what you want. That is the first step and that is the most important point. If the ladder is not leaning against the right wall, then every step we take just gets us to the wrong place faster. Number 2, write down. Think on paper. Number 3, set a deadline on your goal. In case required, set sub-deadline. Fourthly, make list of all the things which you think will be required to be done if you have to follow your goal. So that is your to-do list. Once you have made your to-do list, then you must chalk out a plan to achieve that goal. Because without planning, you will not be able to reach anywhere. Then, once you have made up your plan, then take the action immediately on your goal. And last is, resolve to do something every day which will take you closer to your goal. Start small, but keep walking toward your goal. If you can't walk, crawl, but keep on walking. If you follow whatever I have told you, then I can assure you, you will be able to achieve success in life. Thank you. Jai Hind. If you have liked this video, please share it with your friends.